Kasi we are in Dapa. Okay, Dapa! Hindi, joke lang. Ito yun. Say hi, ate. Say hi to the vlog.
We woke up to a rainy morning today. Pero we are gonna do our DIY land tour. So we're gonna go to the Coconut Grove, to Mangpupungpo, to Maasin River, and whatever. But Sina Romeo is currently getting our car rental in CRA. Highly recommended. Hello to my special guest, Janina. Hello, good morning. Hindi kailangan lumapit.
Get some hot dog.
Have you heard it's the best place to be?
And what is up, vlog? So we are now at, we are in Dapa. Okay, Dapa! Hindi, joke lang. Alright. Okay, labas tayo. So this is good information for anyone who wants to go in Siargao. Kasi we have pure gold on this side. Yung Mercury, hindi pa siya nag-open, but you know, siguro mga ilang weeks na lang to kasi meron na, set up na lang yung place. And then one of my favorite chicken, guys, Andoks. Come on, you can never go wrong with Andoks. Andoks baka naman. De, joke lang. So yeah, so we're gonna get some essentials sa Pure Gold here.
Struggle!
Alright, guys, so ayun. So wala tayong hey! Right, so that's a nice hat. So we got the goods. Right, so ito lang papakita ko kasi bawal daw mag-vlog sa loob. We got the goods. And yeah, we're on our way na to the Maasim. The salty and hell yeah. With our show them. We got our baby right here. They jump. Okay. Ano? Nang play? Ayun nga, no? Okay. Alright. So we're back in our car. And let's get it. That is what's up, guys. That is what's up. Yeah. All right. Okay, yeah. So we are now in Maasin River. We are about to ride a boat. Ito yun. Say hi, ate. Say hi to the vlog.
Jump! Meron pa. May totoong first floor. Nice. Maganda yung view.
I can see it.
Back from Magpunto.
Really fun. Ayun, we didn't get much clip. Kasi again, we were enjoying the moment. Right, knee! Hell yeah. So we are on our back to Kanin Yobabs. Kanin Baboy. You know what's up? So 130 minutes from now, gugutom na ulit kami. Alright.
We are at Kanin Yobabs. According to Matt. And we are looking forward to our lechon, our kinilaw, our tortang
that is what's up. That is what's up.